Hey, science eighth graders and Eva. I'm going to go over how to make your Google site and how to set some stuff on it and enter stuff. So this is a review of what we did in our live class. So just do your best to follow along. I'm going to go pretty quickly, but you can always pause. Okay. So the first thing you're going to do, here are the instructions under number 3. This is all the things that you need to have on there. Okay. Last but not least, you need to share your site with me. If you want to, you can change the settings on the accessibility and make it even more restricted than it currently is. The websites that you create in your school account will only be visible or available to people within our school district. So if you don't want people to have that much access, you can actually make it restricted so that only people you add have access. So let's go ahead and get started. So in Drive, you're going to click New, and you're going to click More, and then you're going to click Google Sites. Okay. In Google Sites, it's going to create a brand new site for you. I want you to add your first and last name as the title of the site and as the page name of the site. So we're going to have this be Bill Nye's site. Okay. Your page title is going to be the same. It's your name. So again, first and last name. All right. You need to include a photo of yourself. So the way to make a photo of yourself, you can do that on your webcam. You can upload one that's already been on the internet. You could email it to yourself and then download it to your Google Drive. You figure out a way to get a picture of your face. Okay, that's all we need. So over here where it says images, you're going to click images, upload, or select one from one of your files, and then you insert that there. Okay. After you insert a picture, you're going to insert a text box, and you're going to include information about you. Okay. And any information such as your siblings, how many you have, how old they are. You could include information about your family, your extended family members. You could include information about your pets. You could include information about any accomplishments that you'd like to share. Whatever you feel comfortable with. If any of those categories you're not comfortable sharing, don't share. Okay, so you can say, I like dogs. I have 2 dogs. And their names are. Okay, and then you can talk about that. So another thing you can do is make the title bigger. So you can make that title bigger. You can center it. If you don't like the colors on here, you can change the theme. You could change just the color. You could change the font style. You could change the actual format of the website. Okay, so whatever you want. The next category you're going to enter, and you can double click and click text, is any past science experiences, especially the ones from 7th grade. So in 7th grade, I liked learning about volcanoes, okay, because I like to ski at Mammoth Mountain, okay? So that's something you could write in there. You can write about very past experiences that you had, like making an egg drop. You could be making cars in 3rd grade out of Kleenex boxes, whatever you want to share. If you did some sort of a cool camp in the past, you can put that in there. So anything in here that you want to share. Last but not least, let's go ahead and look at our list here. You can put any extras. So any extras such as any sports you play, any extra information you'd like to share, if you're involved in Scouts or 4-H or anything special with your religious groups, if you're comfortable sharing that with me. So go ahead and put that in there. Okay, so now that you're done with that, that is all you have to do. So a cool thing you can do up here is you can change the background image of this title. You can choose one of these, or you can search for something like mountains, okay? And you can pick a cool mountain scene, okay? Put it in the back there. You could put a picture that you've taken and you've uploaded to Google Drive, whatever you guys want, okay? Up here where it says share with others, you definitely need to do this part. you're going to share this page with me. Okay, so you need to make sure you type in mzatsky@eurekausd.org. Okay, that's me. You click done, it's shared with me, you've done your job. Up here where it says publish, this actually publishes your site to the internet, but it publishes it within our school district. So it's protected from the outside world. So even if somebody has the link, if they're not logged in as a Eureka Union School District person, they can't see it. If you don't want to have even that much out there, you would change your permissions where it says links vary. You would click change and you click restricted. Okay, so restricted means only people you've added or shared this with, which would be me, can see your site. So if you want it to be super private between you and I just for grading purposes, you can do that. Okay. So I think that is everything. If you have any questions, send me an email. Otherwise, have fun creating your Google site for 8th grade science.